everyone. I am Candida Lobo. Welcome to Discuss Ninja. We are at the 6th Aquagic exhibition at New Delhi. We have Bhavya with us here today. Hi Bhavya, could you tell us what PPGAI stands for?
Yeah, so this is a professional pet grooming association, India. So it has been established in the year 2019. This is like to uplift the Indian groomer community and to educate them and train well and like to have a global standards matched elsewhere in the world. So here is the grooming competition that is going on, and you can come here. So the lady, if you can focus on her there, so she is actually the president of PPGAI, the one with the phone, who has organized this competition. Here. She is here. So she is the president of PPGAI and she has organized this event.
Hi Andrea, could you tell us something more about PPGAI?
Okay, so PPGAI is the Professional Pet Groomers Association of India. I am the founder and president of it. And what we do is we organize competitions, workshops, seminars. Basically, the objective is to uplift the standard of grooming in India. So we are trying to help all Indian groomers to get better, to have access to better education and to have better opportunities. So, when they come out to a stage like this, for them, it's like, otherwise we're just sitting in our salon every day, doing the same thing every day. Right. When you come out, it's exciting, you're competing, you're meeting new people. We have international judges coming in. There's so much to learn, so much to do. So PPGAI is that, and PPGAI is actually trying to prepare a team to take to the World Dog Grooming Competition, and which is why we are doing these competitions. So when we have like a really nice standard of groomers, we hope to be able to represent India at the World Dog Grooming Competitions.
That's great. So could you tell me something more about the competition today?
So this is PPGAI's 6th International Grooming Competition and Certification Exam. This is not just a competition, this is also a certification exam. So we do invite international judges so that they are able to check the skill of our groomers and certify them as well. Because a lot of Indian groomers are not certified yet and they are looking for opportunities to be certified. So which is why today during our competition, we are going to ask the judges to check their work and to tell us whether or not they are up to the standard to receive a certification as a professional international groomer. So today is our 6th one, and I think we started PPGAI in 2019, so this is our 6th year as well.
Great. Awesome.
So it's getting better and better and better, and we are seeing much better response. The groomers are learning so much more. They are more excited. We have some wonderful dogs coming in, and today we have groomers not only from Delhi, we have groomers from all over India.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so that's like a great thing, and I want to say thank you to all of our groomers for taking the time, the effort, the money, the energy. It's not easy, trust me. I've been there, I've done that. It's not easy to do, so that's a great thing that they are doing to be able to come out, get better. Why? For our pets, for our animals. We want to be better, so that is why we are doing this. And and that is why we also do a certification exam. We have 2 judges today. One is from Belgium and one is from Korea. They are both very, very accomplished judges. So, and we're going to be doing a seminar in the evening later today.
Oh,
so
nice.
There's learning going to happen, there's showcasing skill going to happen, there's a lot of mentorship and guidance going to happen. And of course, we're meeting lovely dogs, we're meeting lovely people, we have the similar mindset. So it's just a really, really fun time for us.
That's really nice. Could you take us?
Absolutely, please. Yeah. So today we are doing a salon freestyle class.
Right.
Salon freestyle means that the groomers can do any kind of haircut that they like and that suits the dog.
Okay.
So we are going to be seeing a good difference between the before and the after of the dog.
So every breed has something.
Every breed has something special that they can do, but today the groomer can do whatever they want. So they can make like a Bichon look like a poodle, or a poodle look like a Bichon, or a Shih Tzu, in an Asian fusion style, or anything different, anything they want.
So creativity
Galore, and also they need to know form, function, balance. So they cannot do a style that does not suit the dog.
Right.
So there, a little bit of intelligence, a little bit of knowledge will come into play. So, so today, they are going to be doing haircuts that suit the dogs and the kind of haircuts that we do in salons every day. So we have poodles, we have bichons, we have some Pomeranians on the other side.
Okay.
You know, the little white one, that's a bichon there. These are
Super cute.
Poms.
Yeah.
And this side we have some Shih Tzus as well. You see, there's one Shih Tzu there, one there. So
All
yeah,
of them look
there's a-
adorable. Yeah.
Yes, so in fact, we have one of our contestants who's colored his
Oh,
dog.
yes.
But nothing to worry about. These are pet safe colors. We can literally eat the colors, so nothing to
That's
get
good.
stressed out about. It just looks cute. So,
Yes.
but yeah, they are trying to present the dog in the best way possible, and these are haircuts that even pet owners want. So
Right.
this is like our everyday work. So it's like we're coming out into the open to do our everyday work.
Right.
So yeah, so that's all our these are all our contestants. This side is the more experienced side,
Oh,
the
okay.
open class.
Okay.
And on the opposite side, we have the novice class. These are new groomers.
All right.
Many of them are competing for the first time ever
Oh, that's
in their entire life. So it takes a lot of guts,
Right, it
you know,
does,
to even come
definitely.
out here and do something like this.
yes.
So yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
that's us.
That's lovely. Really nice.
We're making a nice round bum for this little Pomeranian.
Yeah. They
So
look
that
so adorable.
When it
yeah.
runs around, it can shake its little
Yeah.
booty.
That's great. Thank you for so much information.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you, Bhavya, for all this information and the walkthrough. So, how should people connect with you?
Yeah, so we have these sponsors here. So for this grooming competition itself, the venue sponsor is IIPTS. The co-sponsor is ABK Imports. So actually they provide you with the tools and equipments which is required for grooming, like a heavy duty dryer, scissors, tables, tubs, everything. And here are the few prize sponsors. So if you can see the Pittsburgh International Grooming Academy,
Right.
so they are the one who can, like, you can, the new groomers or the people who would want to learn about grooming, they can connect with Pittsburgh. So they provide you with international grooming techniques and education, so they can learn from there.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.